Bullish TWT cost expectation for 2022 is $1.18 to $2.45. The TWT cost will likewise reach $5 soon. Bearish TWT cost expectation for 2022 is 46 cents. In Trust Wallet token cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about TWT to examine the future development of the cryptographic money. Trust Wallet token current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Trust Wallet token is $1.17 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,896,097 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, TWT has diminished to 1.6% as of now. Besides, Trust Wallet token has a circling supply of 416,649,900 TWT. As of now, TWT exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, BKEX, Cryptology, DigiFinex, Pionex, P2PB2B, Bitrue, Femex, MEXC, and Pionex. What is Trust Wallet token? Trust Wallet token is the local utility badge of Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a multi-digital currency wallet portable application that exists on the Binance Brilliant chain. The wallet application was sent off in November 2017 by Viktor Radchenko. It was then procured by Binance in July 2018. Trust Wallet application permits clients to safely store cryptographic forms of money and non-fungible tokens safely. Starting around 2022, Trust Wallet upholds more than 4.5 million resources on 65 blockchains. Its utility token, Trust Wallet token, was sent off as a BEP2 token on Binance Chain in February 2020, and afterward in October 2020, it was relaunched as a BEP20 token on the Binance Shrewd chain. On holding TWT tokens, clients get to the administrations on the crypto wallet application. TWT additionally fills in as the administration token that awards casting a ballot capacity to clients. Trust Wallet token value forecast 2022. The above diagram of Trust Wallet token spread out a climbing channel, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower trend lines that interface the new records all around separately seem to move inside a rising slant. This example is for the most part a quality of a bullish pattern. As of now, Trust Wallet token is at $1.16. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of TWT could arrive at the obstruction level of $2.45. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of TWT might tumble to 88 cents and 56 cents. Trust Wallet token backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Trust Wallet token. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Trust Wallet token. The outlines show that TWT has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, TWT could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $1.65. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the TWT could plunge to nearly 46 cents, a negative sign. Trust Wallet token value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Trust Wallet token is displayed in the beneath diagram. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for brokers. At present, the RVOL of TWT lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Also, the moving normal of Trust Wallet token is displayed in the above graph. Strikingly, the TWT cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a vertical pattern. At present, TWT is in a bullish state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of TWT whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record of the TWT is at a degree of 56.23. This implies that TWT is in a neither overbought nor oversold state. In any case, this gives certainty to the dealers to exchange with no trepidation. Trust Wallet token value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Trust Wallet token. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Trust Wallet token. Presently, TWT lies in the scope of 26.23, demonstrating serious areas of strength for it. From the above diagram, the overall unpredictability list of Trust Wallet token, RVI, estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of TWT lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, TWT's RSI is at 56.23, in this manner affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of TWT with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Trust Wallet token. From the above diagram, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and TWT are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC or ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of TWT likewise increments or diminishes separately. Trust Wallet Token Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Trust Wallet Token could likely accomplish $10 by 2023. Trust Wallet Token Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Trust Wallet Token could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, TWT could energize to hit $16 by 2024. Trust Wallet Token Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Trust Wallet Token supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, TWT would revitalize to hit $24. Trust Wallet Token Value Forecast 2026. If Trust Wallet Token supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, TWT would mobilize to hit $32. Trust Wallet Token Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Trust Wallet Token supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, TWT would revitalize to hit $41. Trust Wallet Token Value Expectation 2028. In the event that Trust Wallet Token holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could observe huge cost rallies. Accordingly, by 2028, TWT would hit $49. Trust Wallet Token Value Forecast 2029. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Trust Wallet Token, it would observe significant spikes. TWT could hit $55 by 2029. Trust Wallet Token Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Trust Wallet environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Trust Wallet Token for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Trust Wallet Token could hit $60 by 2030. And, with persistent upgrades in the Trust Wallet organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for TWT. Hence, the bullish value forecast of Trust Wallet Token in 2022 is $2.45. Then again, the negative value expectation of Trust Wallet Token for 2022 is 46 cents. Moreover, with the headways and overhauls in the Trust Wallet biological system, the exhibition of Trust Wallet Token could hit $5 acquiring financial backers' consideration. It would likewise transcend its unsurpassed high of $1.64 sooner rather than later. 1. What is Trust Wallet Token? Trust Wallet Token is the utility and administration badge of the Trust Wallet application, a multi-cryptographic